Alright guys, I'm here with another recipe video today. Today I'm making something that I found on YouTube. I will post the original video that I saw below, but I wanted to share it with you guys because I think you'll enjoy it. It's a pumpkin cold brew. So this is a cold brew I'm using. It's the Starbucks cold brew. It's super easy. It just takes like 4 ingredients, about less than 5 minutes to make, and it is amazing. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make that recipe. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, and also check out the playlist for other recipe videos. I just posted a new fudge video, and I have a couple other like really yummy fudge videos. Melissa made a mojito video, which they're super good, so go check that one out as well. But let's get started on the recipe. All right, so what we're gonna need, 100% pure pumpkin. Make sure it's pure pumpkin, not the pumpkin pie mix that has lots of sugar. Make sure it's 100% pure pumpkin. Our Safeway only had this like 14-gallon can left. Pumpkin pie spice. There is a recipe which I will try to find. If you don't have the pumpkin pie spice, you can make it with other spices that you have in your kitchen. So I'll link that, or I'll either link it or post it down below. Cold brew. I'm just using the cold brew concentrate from Target. I believe this is also on Amazon. If there is a link, I will post it below. You can find this at Costco too sometimes, but I think they're done for the summer. This is super good, or you can make your own cold brew. And then you're also gonna need heavy whipping cream. So I've got heavy whipping cream here as well. So you're also gonna wanna make sure you have some liquid stevia and sugar-free vanilla. We got this at Cash and Carry or Smart Food Service, whatever it's called now. So make sure you have all those ingredients, and that's all you need to make this pumpkin cream cold brew. And it's keto friendly, tastes just as good as Starbucks, maybe even better, but it's also not chock full of sugar. So let's get this going. I'm gonna take a small bowl here. I'm gonna put in 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Then you're gonna wanna take a half a tablespoon of pure pumpkin. And then you're gonna wanna take a quarter teaspoon of the pumpkin pie seasoning, pumpkin spice pie stuff. The 1/4 teaspoon of the pumpkin pie spice. Then you're just gonna wanna add a couple drops of the liquid stevia. If you don't want it to be too sweet, you can just skip this. I think it tastes better with a little bit of liquid stevia mixed in there. Then you're gonna wanna take a hand mixer and mix that up for about 30 to 45 seconds. All right, then once they're in there, you wanna mix these up for about 30 to 45 seconds. Alright, you want the foam to kind of be like, not quite whipped cream, but a thicker foamy mixture. You want to be careful, you don't want to do it for too long because then you'll end up with just whipped cream. Which, I mean, would be good, but that's not what we're going for here. Okay, now you're going to want to prep the actual cold brew. Alright, so I've got my cold brew here. I'm going to prep the glass really quick. Alright, the first thing you're going to want to do is put a couple of pumps of the sugar-free vanilla into your cup. That's going to sweeten the cold brew. This is about a 12-ounce cup. I find that 3 pumps is good. It's pretty sweet, so if you want less, just do like 2 pumps or 1 pump, whatever you prefer. And then the cold brew concentrate is a mixture, so you want to mix it with water. First I'm going to pour a little bit of cold brew in there, and then I'm going to put some ice and water in it. Alright, so I've got that cold brew glass. Notice that I left about 1 inch of room on the top. You want that for your foam. Then you're going to take that foam that you made earlier and just dump it on top. I like to get every last bit out of there because it's so good. And then you're going to want to garnish it with a little bit more of that pumpkin pie spice on top. And then there you go. You have a pumpkin cream cold brew made from home using only about 5 ingredients. Super easy and really, really tasty. All right, it's that easy to make a pumpkin cream cold brew. I'm gonna give it a taste for you guys, let you know how it is. My favorite. I think this is going to be something I make every day, at least through fall, maybe past, because the pumpkin flavoring with like the sweetness of the vanilla, so good. If you haven't tried the pumpkin cream cold brew at Starbucks, it's really good. But if you're trying to do keto or eat healthier or save money, this is a good alternative for you right here. And I highly recommend it. If you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And then also comment down below if you enjoyed this recipe. If you have any other ideas for some recipes I could try as well. Also be sure to check out the channel that I found this from down below. I'll have her link as well. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.